The fourth lesson I learned is to unplug. And I'm in one of my favorite places I do that right now. It's in the back of my home, and this is a really safe space where I do a lot of prayers and a lot of journaling. So to unplug, what does that mean? Well, for me it means to journal how I feel. It means to put down my phone or iPad or television or all three. And it means to get really quiet. And if sounds difficult for you, if it sounds difficult for you to unplug, all the more reason to do it. When we are quiet, what I've noticed is that, especially if we have strong intentions in a certain direction, things will start like rising up for healing. And often, if not always, if we have a strong intention, what rises up for healing seems to be the opposite of what we're trying to bring forward. So the good news is that this is part of the curriculum. So I want to encourage you to unplug, to take time for you, to journal, to spend time just listening in quiet. And then as you notice what's rising up for healing, you'll know your next piece of soul work. As you do this, I want to affirm for you. You are 100% supported by the whole universe when you do this work.